When you receive your American flag emblems, be sure to inspect the packaging and the contents to ensure that you have all included parts as shown in this video. You should have installation instructions, alcohol wipes, a clear transfer tape, and the actual emblem itself. Carefully peel the protective foam insert away from the emblem. Peel the clear transfer tape away from its backing, apply it to the flag emblem, and press firmly to ensure it's adhered. With the clear transfer tape applied to the flag, this enables you to peel the backer card away from the flag emblem and transfer it to the surface that you plan on applying this to, keeping perfect alignment of the flag, all the stars and the stripes together as one piece. Before installing, clean the area with soap and water, then dry it. Use the alcohol wipes supplied in the kit to clean any remaining car wax, oils, or grease that might be left on the surface. Once you have the area clean, you can now transfer the emblem from its backing using the clear transfer tape. Carefully align the flag and press it into place. Press and hold firmly on all areas for 10 seconds. If you plan on installing one of the colored stripes, you can remove it from the backer card and carefully place it in the space just below the stars. Press and hold firmly for 10 seconds, and now your installation is done.